I hope readers take away from this book that rap is poetry, and it isn't just, you know, it's thought provoking, and there's thought behind it, and there's great writing in rap as well. You know, you never hear rappers being compared for like the greatest rap writers of all time. You know, you hear Bob Dylan, so is Biggie Smalls, like in a Hitchcock way. You know, some of the things that Biggie wrote. Rakim, I mean, listen to some of the things he wrote. I mean, if you take those lyrics and you pull them away from the music and you put them up on the wall somewhere and someone had to look at them, they would say, well, this is genius. This is genius work. So I want people to take that away. I want people to also take away the quick judgments. Listen to the song, listen to its intent. Try to figure out why a song like Big Pimpin' can exist. The same way you try to figure out a song like Meet the Parents exists. I mean, it's clearly obvious that this has different meaning, but this, on the surface, is just fun and party music, but there's reasons behind that as well. So I really wanted to lay this out in a clear, concise way that people could look at it and say, okay, and if there's thought and there's intelligence and there's reason and logic behind it, then maybe you have to deal with everything like that.
Mic check, 1, 2. Edmond is supposed to be some number. Money. Mic check, 1, 2. Lagi kaka del boss, but too ugly motherfucker. Abot ang mahosi, nasta dali ribe old school shit, this is it. Speakers na tablasi, two-handed, the split strip. Fuck tour points, nakita ang guest. Tracks natin nada pabo, lakabo, matabo, umabo. Hang me playlist, fuck fake it. Dahil ilimay, i-play bitch, it's money, play bitch. Amin na tong gangsta, pero meet the keep it street, ribe beat. Meet the vibe, blaze, turo, pero sing uma weed set. Niggas on the top, shut up and say QB. Sigi drop ko e pen, ku papel imita siki basha manera awa. Se, nigga bolsa nada, Chando bota ma host. Bo mama, mi sita yega bruta drama. Hip-hop the life, hip-hop the life. Hip-hop the life, chorus hip-hop, get a knife. Say what to the hip-hop. All I do is win, don't worry what the best does. No yay, but a nigga still trap hard. Me and money are the motherfucking track star. Ser umang mit der real, bopo welly puter run. Check me ribi track, ribi weti puto strong. Mit der tendin anta papia, ture hate me to not tabay hasiminada. Amin ta riba fama, amin ta riba weti papia run kasi redo. Amin ta cheese rap voor de rest, mit de keto, serio. Kibo sa je hard work, kuta try je tracks. Pera broad nanta real, ino papia try me back. Zij de net nog wel masia, PC met de skibinet, kiko met de vibe nigga. Hip-hop kita nice, tapayas lang ko akiri, hip-hop is die. Well, the N.O.T. Money, see